Analysis of documents and records of existing data has many advantages and disadvantages, but the important question here is, when is it appropriate to conduct this type of research? Since it is data collected for an entirely different purpose, it might provide a challenge. Next, I will describe several examples of how research is done through existing documents and data. Big data research means data that is so large and complex that it will be almost impossible to collect in a timely manner. It is mostly a byproduct of user interactions with a system like phone servers or online banking. It could also be information from news and social interactions like Facebook, blogs, and Twitter. Satellite images and traffic information could also be considered big data. Logs and diaries are monitoring tools for recording data over a long period of time. They are self-assessment tools that have to be completed right after an event. It is data that is collected with no specific reason in mind other than just to collect information. Data becomes important when researchers use it to evaluate information for a specific purpose. It is important to regularly collect the data and to reflect honestly on the logs. Official statistics research is when you use information published by government agencies and public organizations which are open for the general public. They include socioeconomic status, living conditions, health, educational, and the environment. Organizations like Open Knowledge International are working towards creating an open database of all types of data to empower individuals and groups with the knowledge. Previous evaluations and research is using the data collected from evaluations and research that is closely related to your intended topic. A good example for this type of research will be in crime prevention in a city. Since it is a very common topic, researchers could review previous evaluations and compare it to current problems. They use the knowledge from the results of a previous research to discover trends and possible solutions to their problem. Project records research is obtaining all the information and documents from a project. It can include meeting minutes, proposals, reports, needs assessments, internal and external evaluations, mail, budget reports, work plans, etc. Researchers gather and analyze all the information. Reputational monitoring dashboard is regularly monitoring and collecting data on how a product is perceived by interest groups, media, and the public. It uses mostly the internet and social media to gather the information. It creates a dashboard or page that will display comments on specific products or projects over time. This is a method used by many brands to quickly appraise reputational trends.